Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Google Wallet application on your device. So let's get started right away. If the Google Wallet application is not working as properly as it is supposed to, then this might be because the application is not updated to the latest version. So in order to solve this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and type in Google Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Google Wallet application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then tap on this button to install the latest updates. This will now begin installing the latest updates, and you will just need to wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once it is done, you will see the open button once again, which you can tap on, and now you will be able to enjoy the latest update of the Google Wallet application without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.